Hello everyone, I'm Hassan from Mechanic Bar. Today is a very exciting day for me because all of these years I've been using GoPro for action cameras and I'm still using it now. However, for 360 degrees videos, I was recommended to use Insta360 cameras, and for that I have chosen Insta360 X3 model cameras, and I'm going to do the unboxing and let me show you. Oops. Okay, so without further ado, let us see the unboxing of my Insta360 X3 model camera. Okay guys, so this is my Insta360 X3 pocket action camera. Alright, okay, I got this from local stores, and this is actually the motorcycle kit, as you can see. Right, and of course I also need this invisible selfie stick. Okay, and let us do the unboxing. Okay, so first, the box itself. All right, some descriptions over here in the box. What you have the camera, you have the charge cable, the protective pouch, the lens cloth, micro SD. Okay, and it shows you the helmet mount, tail mount, cockpit mount, and heavy duty claw mount. These are for the motorcycle mount bundle, because this bundle is actually for motorcycle kit. Alright, so okay, never mind, let's do it. Okay, and they have the pictures here too. Nothing much on the sides. Okay, and some of the features, they have this 5.7K 360 camera, 4K single lens mode, 72 megapixel photos, flow state, horizontal lock, invisible, selfie, active HDR, loop recording, waterproofing, long life battery, record while charging, AI powered. Remember, this is the motorcycle kit. Okay, first thing is the camera itself, and a beautiful Insta360 logo here. Okay, oh, alright. So this is what you get. Okay, you have this bracket. I think this is for the mounting of the camera. Okay, more adapters. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the base, and it's slightly curved because it's meant for helmet. Okay, this is the mount base, very similar to GoPro, right? Okay, and what's this? Oh, okay. These are your adhesives, those double-sided tapes, and you can actually mount onto your this base mounting clips and onto your helmets. Okay, nothing else here. Okay. Oh, okay, this is the adjustable grip. You can actually mount your camera and mount this onto another adapter. Okay, so this is the grip that is going to grip onto your motorcycle handles or whatever devices that you're going to use, vehicles, anything. You can actually clip onto it, and this is the how it's supposed to be done roughly. Okay, good. All right, and what's this? Oh, more of these adapters. Okay, so they give you quite plenty, 4 of them. Okay, so yeah, you can actually, I think this one fits GoPro too. I don't know, but we're gonna try them later. So inside the box, what do you have inside the box? Okay, so inside this box, oops, Okay, so what do we have? Okay, you have all the bolts here, screws. I don't know what's this, but I'm gonna find out. Right, and I assume this is the charging cable. More screws. Silicone gel. More screws, alright. Okay. Nothing else over here. Insta360 quick start guide. You have the instructions for the motorcycle mount. Waterproofing, what to know for this camera. You got the warranty card over here. Safety guidelines. I think this is the cloth. And some stickers. Okay, this is the cloth. And what's this? I think this is the pouch. So yeah, this is the pouch. So you can keep and store your Insta360 camera when you're not using over here to protect the lens. Okay, I don't see any lens protection over here. Can I just take the camera out itself? Okay, the camera. Oh, before that. Aha. So they give you a Insta micro SD card. So this is a 64 GB. It looks legit. I hope it's of a good quality. Alright, not bad. It's a class 3 micro SD card. Okay. Alright. Okay, now back to the camera itself. Okay, so this is solid. Solid grip. So you have the lens, both sides. So this is where you mount the GoPro. Not the GoPro, the Insta360 camera. I've been always in GoPro, so tends to mention about GoPro. It's beautifully crafted, solid, and there are some protective stickers here to guard the lens, the screens. I think I already ordered online some of the lens protection covers. It's going to come soon. And meanwhile, if I'm not using that, I think I'm gonna just slot this inside. Try how it's done. It's quite tight. Alright. Okay, so nothing else inside the box. So guys, that's about it. The unboxing of the Insta360 X3 camera. I'm gonna do more reviews when I start to use it and show you guys what it's actually like to use this on my vehicles. Right? Okay guys, so this is the invisible selfie stick for Insta360 cameras. Okay, so let us unbox it. There's a sponge there. Throw it away. Nothing much on the box. Empty. Okay, so this is the stick itself. Okay, so pretty good grip here you have. This is, I think, some rubber material. This is metal, and you have this thread hole over here. You can join all of this up together for your together with the accessories. As you can see, like that, and you're gonna hook this up to another mount, and you can use this stick right away. If you're not going to use this mount, you can just hold this, and it's like a magic wand. and it we pull. Just basically just pull this up. It can be extended. Okay, quite long. It's quite smooth actually. So mount the camera over here. And so this is the Insta360 invisible stick. Okay, we're gonna do a video review of it later when it's used together with this camera. Okay guys, I got this lens cap for Insta360 camera. Okay, this is part of the motorcycle bundle, and as you can see, is a FOC, free of charge item. Okay, so I got this uh, as part of the package, and just unbox this. Nothing much, just some descriptions on it. Okay, so right, nothing else. There's a piece of information here, okay, on how to use the lens cap. Pretty much easy. Nothing else. Okay, so this is the lens cap. I see that the packaging is more like Apple products. Okay. Ah, all right. So this is like a rubber, or maybe, yeah, I think this is a rubber material, quite firm, tough. Okay, and I think this is just simply slot in. There's no orientation. Slot in. Okay, so it kind of like protect your lens. Looks firm on this. Maybe let me try. Take it off. Oh, it's quite tight. Okay, so just lift up the lid and actually put this back. Okay. So that's about it. The Insta lens cap thing is good. It serves its purpose, protects the lens from minor drops, bumps, sturdy. Can see and hear. Okay, that's the review. Okay guys, so there you have it, the unboxing of the Insta360 X3 camera and the invisible selfie stick. Okay, so I'm gonna learn on how to use this, watch all the tutorials online, and I'm gonna use it and make a review of it. Okay, so guys, stay safe and take care. See you again.